So this project was actually Aditya's idea. So at school, we all watch movies about like marine life getting killed by like, these plastic, and also landfills being filled up, and animals getting like poisoned. And then Aditya read an article about these worms that can eat plastic, like using like their saliva and their enzymes in their stomach that come from a bacteria. So we thought, what if we put these two together and make something that can break the plastic and make the world much plastic free, much better, like it. And how about let's do it naturally and not like what the normal ways we're doing today, like not with like chemicals or heat or pollutants, just like natural. I love like doing like the model. It's like it was like so much fun, and I love how he had like extra motors that actually work and like that beeper in the back. It's like so much fun. I also really enjoy like making the website and like researching. So first we actually started off with the worms actually being in the trash can, but then we realized it takes 22 worms 100 days to decorate just one plastic bag, which is really less. And also it's really tedious to keep the worms. It's like keeping another pet, and most people do not really like keeping a pet. And also, like, if they escape or die, we need to buy more worms, and it's, like, really annoying. So we decided, actually, the enzymes are actually doing all the work. So what if we extract the enzymes, which actually come from the bacteria in their stomach, just to degrade the plastic, so it's, like, much more simpler and much less tedious.